Hi guys! Welcome back to Champ's Japanese Kitchen. On this channel, I teach you how to make Japanese dishes, especially authentic, healthy, and delicious recipes. So today, we're gonna make the pork shogayaki. That's pork ginger. So, let's get cooking! So, as you can imagine, the main ingredients of this dish is going to be ginger. You're going to start off with about 1 inch of peeled ginger and grate that together with 1 clove of garlic. Once that's finely grated and mixed together, we're going to make out seasonings. Like most Japanese seasonings, this is very simple. 1.5 tablespoons of soy sauce, 3 teaspoons of Japanese cooking sake, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, and our grated ginger and garlic mix. Give that a whisk together, and we're done. Actually, you want to add 2 tablespoons of water at this stage to stop the pork being too salty. Learn from my mistakes, guys. And that's our seasonings done. So now, let's add our seasoning to the bowl with our thin cuts of pork. You can use belly or shoulder. Shoulder is healthier because it has less fat. The point is to get the slices pretty thin. I know this kind of looks like bacon, but you won't get the same taste if you use bacon. Keep that in mind. We are going to mix our meat with the seasonings well and put that aside for maybe 5 to 10 minutes. While we're waiting, we'll finally cut some cabbage. In Japan, you can't have pork ginger without cabbage. It's like having a burger without fries. I'm pretty sure it's illegal. Let's plate that up and add some tomatoes if you feel fancy. Next, it's time to cook the meat. Add some olive oil to a frying pan over a medium-high heat and then spread out your pork evenly. We want to cook it for a minute on each side until they turn golden brown. This is a part of the cooking experience where you are going to get really hungry. The smell of that smoky ginger and soy sauce smells so good. Yep, that looks about done to me. Also, I hope you've kept the seasonings from before. Add that to the pan and toss that around for a few seconds. You don't have to go for the whole fire effect, but it's a little bit cooler if you do. And we're done. We have our pork ginger. Easy, delicious, and healthy. So, the pork ginger is done. Wow, smells good. The ginger and garlic and soy sauce. Very rich flavor. いただきます。さあでは、生姜焼き。これは so delicious. うまい。Very rich flavor. Garlic, ginger, and soy sauce. A little bit salty. Wow! I forgot to add water to the seasoning. Oh my! So, when you make seasoning, don't forget to add water, okay? Now, let me give you another piece of advice for your pork ginger. If you want a simple dressing for your cabbage, mix together olive oil, mustard, and a little bit of salt and pepper. Simple. Very fresh cabbage. So, why don't you guys try to make pork ginger at home? If you want me to make any other Japanese recipes, please leave a comment down below. And remember, ごちそうさまでした!